Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ishneet Kaur. In case you are new here, let me just give you a quick introduction about me. I am a real life makeup artist and I've actually worked with a lot of people in the industry. I have even gotten an opportunity to work on a film and done all the makeup for it. I've done look designing for a movie called Apurva, and I have worked really closely with like Tara Sutaria, Rajpal Yadav, Abhishek Banerjee. I've even done makeup for Shankar Mahadevan, which was an excellent opportunity anyone could ask for. And yeah, enough about me. I want to keep this really short and precise. So let's get started into the review. In today's video, we will be reviewing this mCaffeine Naked Detox Green Tea Face Serum. Alright, and let me just quickly tell you what all will be covered in this video. We will be covering the packaging, the texture, the consistency, the ingredients, and the most important of all, does this really work? So this comes in a nice glass bottle, which I feel personally is nice and sturdy. It comes in a dropper form as well, and the dropper is a little different from what the other droppers are usually. But I've never really had a problem with, dispensing the product. Now, this is priced at $6.25 for 40 ml of product. So currently, mCaffeine is having a sale where they're giving you this product for $6.25, but they're giving you a $3.25 worth of product, which is a face wash, for free with this. So I feel that's a perfectly good deal. So in case you're watching this and you're planning to buy this, I feel you should really head to the mCaffeine website versus any other, like Nike or something to, buy this product. I'm going to quickly tell you how I love to use this product. I've been using this product since the past 2-3 months, and oh my god, let me just tell you how I use it to, reap the maximum amount of benefits from this product. So basically, they're recommending this product to be used like twice, but I use it once is because I have the Cosrx snail mucin, which I love, so I alternate between this and that. And let me just quickly show you how I use this product.
I like to use a toner to help balance my skin's pH. A toner can also help prepare your skin to make sure that the product, gets absorbed properly. Now it's time to finally go in with my green tea serum. I like to take my time and apply it on my face because it helps the product to penetrate deeply into my skin, delivering a powerful dose of nutrients. Once the serum has been absorbed, I like to go in with a good moisturizer. A good moisturizer helps lock in hydration, keeping your skin soft and supple. It even acts as a barrier, sealing the benefits of the previous steps. If you are following this routine in the morning, finish with a sunscreen. Just look how soft and supple my skin looks. Oh god, I'm just loving this.
So let's talk about the texture. Okay, so the serum has a slight green hue to it, and it's not exactly very runny, like your L'Oreal serums or something like that. I just love how it hydrates my skin and how my skin just absorbs this serum. I mean that my skin just feels like nice and plump, so that's really amazing, with the feeling that I love. So mCaffeine claims that it gives you like a 72-hour of hydration, which I personally did not feel like that happened. But having said that, it does give you a good 10 to 15 hours of good hydration on your face, and once you apply it, your face feels like hydrated, moisturized, and it just feels like plump and like healthy. So I did like that fact about it. Now, its main ingredient is, of course, green tea, which has antioxidant properties that helps eliminating toxins from your skin. It even has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps soothe the skin and calm the skin down. It even contains hyaluronic acid, which we all know is an amazing ingredient to have in any serum. Hyaluronic acid is like a perfect ingredient if you want like soft and supple and plump skin. It's an excellent ingredient to have in your skincare. It even helps in maintaining your skin's moisture barrier and preventing dryness. So it's an excellent ingredient to have in your serum. Now it's time for my final thoughts. Honestly, I have been using the serum for like 2-3 months, and you can see how much I've already used it. This serum has just given my skin a boost, and I've noticed, I've noticed pigmentation reduced, but not to a very major extent, but I've noticed some sort of reduction in my pigmentation. Hydration, 100%. It gives you 100% boost of hydration in your skin. Your skin will feel plump, smooth, and really hydrated, which I personally love. So the main question is, will I purchase this again? Yes, I will. I have loved this product. I will purchase it again, and my skin loves it. It's an amazing product to have in your skincare routine. If you are someone who's suffering from like dull and dry skin, I think you should really go for this. Also, one more thing I would like to tell you, that this is not a non-sponsored video. I bought this from my own money, and I will purchase it again from my own money. So it's a non-sponsored video. Having said that, we reached the end of this video. I hope you guys have liked it. If you have, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.